Hello everyone. So today I just want to talk about um, the possibility to set a pre-task in Ansible. So this is very useful when you have production when you have production playbooks. This is just an additional information for you when you execute a playbook. Hey, just letting you know that you are about to use the Xen server offline update playbook. So this is just used as an information because maybe you are tired or you mistyped something and you execute a different playbook, not the one that you really want. And this is a good information when you start the playbook to know, hey, yes, I'm starting this one. This is the correct one. I will start the playbook just to show you. I will start it through an alias because I just love working with alias in Linux. So behind this text there is a command to jump to this folder and execute this YAML file. So nothing else. So it's not any magic. That's the only thing it does. And I just want to show you how this behaves. So the first thing that you see is welcome to the Xen server 8. So it shows the pre-task. So it shows you this before doing anything. So if you have here a lot of variables and everything else, it will not do anything until so the first thing it shows you this message, and only after that it continues through the playbook. And this is very useful and an additional thing that you should definitely do in productive playbooks. Always insert after you type all the things that you want to accomplish. If it asks you for variables, if it asks you for pool masters, for files that need to be installed, set a stop in the playbook, and before the stop also set a task that shows you what on what inventory items the playbook will execute all its tasks. This is very useful and very good for you to not execute the playbooks on different hosts or on different systems that you do not actually want to perform those changes, because once you start the playbook, yes, you can stop it, but it is so fast that it can go through tens of tasks in seconds, and those changes can mess up your productive servers, and you do not want to do that. So always insert such a task. So like here, let's say it's called the pool master 05. We should tell it a file. I don't know the file name. Just write anything. I believe it will work. And here is the task that stops the playbook. It tells you, yes, I will execute the playbook on this inventory item. Do you want to continue, yes or no? And here you can, if you're not sure, or maybe you mistyped something, you still have a chance to say no, and the playbook will stop. Okay, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, and you will see all the other videos that I upload.